Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to merge audio files on iPhone. So if you have multiple audio clips and now you want to convert all of them into a single audio, or you just want to combine them, here's how to easily do that. So by default in our iPhone, here is no option to combine or merge audio files. So we have to use a third-party app. So go to your app store and simply search for Toolbox. And this is the actual app we are going to use. So install this Toolbox app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, now if you received audio files from a social media app, or if you want to download audio from any browser or website, make sure you have downloaded or saved those audio files in your iPhone Files app. And if you want to combine or merge your voice recordings, first of all, you have to save those voice recordings to your Files app. So go to your Voice Memos app, tap on Edit, select those voice records, tap on Share, and here just tap on Save to Files and select a folder to save them. So here's I'm going to save all of this into this download folder. Okay, once you have all of your audio files, now it's time to merge them. So go ahead and launch the Toolbox app on your iPhone. Once you are in the app home screen, here scroll down and come to this audio section. Under audio section, here you will see this option Concact. So all you have to need, just open this Concact option, and now it will open your file manager. At the top of this recents, you will find all of your audios. Now all you have to need, scroll down and search for those audios you want to merge. So here's I'm selecting 3 audio files for example and tapping on open, and all of your selected audio will be opened separately in this app. Now from here you can crop any music like this. Also, you can rearrange your music by long pressing and holding. You will be able to change any music position. And once you are happy, now all you have to need, if you want to remove any music, just tap on this minus icon. Okay, now just tap on Start. And as you can see, all of my 3 different audios have been successfully converted into a single audio. Now it's time to save this audio. So tap on Share and here tap on Save to Files and just select a folder and just tap on Save to Export. So this is how we can easily merge or combine audio files on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.